So hello, I'm Rupak. I'm a Valorant player. So I have come to Vishal for an event organized by Logitech. All the accessories are very good. Currently close to winning. Thank you Vishal. Thank you Logitech.
My name is Yusuf Khan. I was here for Logitech event for Logitech Play Days. Very good experience with Logitech keyboards and mouse, headset.
Hey everyone, this is Naveen. I am coming here for a tournament for the F1 and Valorant. It was an amazing experience which was hosted by the VishalPeripherals for this tournament.
Well, the Logitech event was very amazing with the high-end PCs and gaming chairs. Products are amazing. The store looks very modern. It has various computer tech. They even have the Ryzen 7 900 XT, which was I didn't expect to be in stock.
హాయ్, నా పేరు రోహిత్. ఇక్కడ గేమ్స్ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. F1 ఇంకా Valorant చూడడానికి బాగున్నాయి. ఇంకా గేమ్స్ మంచిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ గివింగ్ మీ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ.
I had a very great experience playing Valorant game and also F1 games. They both gave me an enhanced experience. If you want to actually enjoy a good experience and quality products, VishalPeripherals, and it here Begumpet also, Vishal Computech.
So congratulations again on winning the first prize. How did you like all the peripherals that you used today of Logitech?
Yeah, it was really amazing. The peripherals which were provided from the Logitech.
Hope you are
super
totally
light.
satisfied.
Yeah, I'm totally satisfied.
First of all, thank you Vishal Computech for organizing this event. This is the first time I have entered an event and first time I won. This is a big surprise.
థ్యాంక్ యూ Logitech and VishalPeripherals.